In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for construction project management, so you can easily organize units, track progress, and assign team members. It's perfect for developers, contractors, and construction managers looking for a visual and efficient workflow. Let's get started. First, open the workspace you created specifically for your construction project. This will serve as your main dashboard for monitoring multiple units or job sites. Next, you'll see various columns like unit number, address, people, overall progress, status, and individual tasks per unit. All of these are customizable depending on your project needs. Then, in the unit number column, you can rename each row to reflect the unit or house number. You can also update the address field and assign team members in the people column responsible for that unit. Now for the status column, update it to reflect the job phase. For example, job completed, started, permits, or specs hold to track administrative and build stages. For task tracking per unit, you can change the status of each task using tags like planned, working on it, stuck, or done. This gives you a quick visual overview of job progress. Then if a unit's overall progress reaches 100%, you can drag it to the Done group to keep your board clean and focused on ongoing work. And finally, one of the most useful features is the Gantt chart view. Just click the Timeline tab and you'll see a sequence of start dates per unit. This gives you a complete overview of when tasks begin and how they align across your project. And that's how to manage your construction projects using Monday.com. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more smart tutorials.
See you next time!